Welcome to Startup Station everyone. In today's video, we will see how to register on the MCA portal. So please go to Google and type MCA. Select the first site. You will be directed to the official page. On the top hand side right corner, you will see sign in sign up button. Please press on that and come down, press on register. You will be directed to this page. Here you have to just select the user category, select business user, and under the heading role, please select director or designated partner. Please write the DIN of the director and press on next. Here you have to write the first name, the middle name and the last name of the director. Then you have to select the date of birth. And then select the gender and press on next. Then you will be directed to the next page. Here you have to put the contact details, the address, the country and the mobile number, the email ID. You have to check whether it belongs to the concerned director or not. And you have to select the city and the area and locality. Once you select that, you will have to press on next. Now here you have to set your password. The password that you select should be maximum of 15 characters and you have to use special characters for setting your password. Once you type the password, you have to confirm your password. And then at the bottom you will see whether you wish to avail SMS alert facility or not. You will press on yes so that you receive all the necessary information on your mobile number as well as your mail ID. Then you have to press on create my account and then you will be getting OTPs on your mail ID as well as your mobile number. You have to type the OTPs here and then you have to verify the mail and the mobile OTP individually. Once that is done, you will receive a message saying congratulations, you have been successfully registered on the MCA portal as business user, and a confirmation email must have been sent to your respective mail ID as well. So you will press on OK. Now you will be redirected to the main page, which is the official page where that sign in option was there. You will press on sign in now and you will type your mail ID and the password which you had just created and you will be able to log into the MCA portal. Thank you.